2018 has certainly brought changes to the tax landscape. However, some things seem to stay the same. If it all seems complicated, well, no worries. H&R Block's Meg Sutton joins me with some tax tips and new options for those time-crunched Americans who want an easier and more efficient way to file their taxes. Meg, don't we all want that? So let's go ahead and throw it out there. What advice do you have if people have not taken care of it just yet?
So the first thing that you can do to feel less anxiety and less frustrated at tax time is to get organized. As you receive those documents in the mail, make sure that you put them all in one place. This could be your mortgage statement, your bank statement, W-2s, daycare receipts, all of those things go into one spot. That way, when you go to file your tax return, you know that everything is being accounted for on that return and you're getting every deduction and credit that you're entitled to.
You know, I try to do that. I'm old school folder, manila folder kind of thing now that I put all the paperwork in. But I know technology, that is kind of advancing the way people look at their taxes. How's technology changed? So technology is bringing convenience to tax preparation. So that's why this year we have launched H&R Block Tax Pro Go, where you answer a few questions up front, and then we match you with a tax professional and give you your price. And then that tax professional completes your tax return while you do whatever you want. Work, go to school, take the kids places, all within about 5 days, and your tax return is done, all without stepping foot in an office. Hey, that's definitely beneficial for many people out there. But one thing that many people are also hearing a lot, obviously the tax reform and changes that are made. What do people need to know?
So tax reform is really a good news story for our small business owners out there. And right off the bat, tax reform will bring a tax break to those small business owners where it will reduce their taxable income. And in doing this, it's around a 20% pay increase for those small business owners.
One of the things that I know a lot of people have different jobs, different careers in this like new gig-based world that we live in. What are some tax implications that people need to be aware of if they're in that situation?
Sure. We see more and more freelancers and people who are participating in the gig economy. This is certainly a growing number of Americans. The first thing that we tell them is that your tax return is going to look different. You're going to file different forms. You're going to collect different documents. And really, the guidelines around what you can deduct is a little more lenient on the business side. But also know that throughout the year, you're not withholding taxes from your paychecks. So you'll want to make estimated quarterly payments to the IRS to make sure that there are no surprises at tax time.
I'm so glad you're talking about that, Meg. I actually, in my career, learned that lesson the hard way. So I'm glad you're sharing with people out there. And we also do want to share your website so people can go, if they haven't yet taken care of their taxes, for more information.
So visit us at hrblock.com/taxprogo for more information.
Thank you so much for your time. And I got to say, I am relieved. I've actually already taken care of mine for the year. So I'm feeling relieved, but we appreciate you sharing this info for people who still need to do that.
Thank you.